Hello and welcome. Today we are discussing a modern issue that affects almost all of us: digital eye strain. If you spend hours a day staring at a computer screen, you're likely familiar with computer vision syndrome. By 2026, data shows that up to 66% of digital device users globally experience regular symptoms. These include eye strain, headaches, and dry eyes, often caused by focusing on pixels for too long. Did you know we blink 50 to 70% less when looking at screens? This leads to rapid tear evaporation. The good news is that small changes to your eyewear and environment can significantly reduce this strain. Computer glasses are specifically designed for the intermediate distance, usually 20 to 26 inches away. They come in both prescription and non-prescription varieties to help your eyes relax while you work. One of the best behavioral habits is the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look 20 feet away for 20 seconds. This simple break allows your ciliary muscles to reset and reduces constant focal tension. Beyond breaks, your workstation setup plays a massive role in your ocular and physical health. The top of your screen should be at or slightly below eye level so your gaze falls naturally downward. Position your monitor about 20 to 30 inches from your face, roughly one full arm's length away. Tilt the screen back 10 to 20 degrees to minimize glare and support a natural viewing angle. Maintain a neutral posture to avoid turtlenecking, which can lead to neck and shoulder pain. Keep your wrists in a neutral position to prevent repetitive strain while you navigate your digital tasks. Ambient light should be around 300 lux. Match your screen brightness to the room to avoid high contrast. Let's talk about blue light. While popular, science suggests it might not be the main cause of strain. Clinical reviews found no significant benefit of blue light filters for daytime eye strain compared to standard lenses. However, they can help with sleep quality by preventing melatonin suppression if used in the evening. Try conscious blinking. Squeeze your eyes shut fully for a second to stimulate natural oil production. A diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids and leafy greens can also improve your tear film quality over time. Using preservative-free lubricating eye drops can provide immediate relief if your eyes feel particularly dry. Even minor uncorrected vision issues can increase strain. Regular eye exams are vital for early detection. At the end of the day, a warm compress for 5 minutes can help refresh tired eyes and unblock oil glands. So to recap, optimize your workspace, follow the 20-20-20 rule, and check your eyewear. Behavioral breaks and ergonomic alignment are your first lines of defense against digital fatigue. And don't forget the power of specialized computer glasses for that intermediate desktop distance. Take care of your eyes today, and they'll take care of you for years to come. Thanks for watching. For more tips on health and workspace efficiency, be sure to visit our website. Stay comfortable. With our screen time increasing, protecting our eyes is essential. Here are 2 key technologies for your computer glasses. First, an anti-reflective coating. This multi-layered film eliminates glare by increasing light transmission to nearly 99%. AR coating sharpens text and images, allowing your eye muscles to relax and preventing those mid-afternoon tension headaches. Second, look for blue light blocking lenses. These target high-energy light that can disrupt your sleep by suppressing melatonin. While clear filters are great for all-day use, amber tints provide maximum protection for late-night sessions and help regulate sleep. For the best results, look for lenses that combine both technologies for the ultimate balance of visual clarity and comfort. Modern computer glasses allow you to protect your long-term visual health without sacrificing your personal style. Invest in your vision today for a more comfortable digital tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, in 2025, computer glasses are a must-have for anyone spending hours at a screen. Gunnar Optics leads the pack with their 2025 Venture line, featuring lenses you can adjust from clear to amber on the fly. For professionals, Felix Gray offers infused lens technology that filters blue light without a coating that can scratch off. Spectrum Prospect is the integration expert, providing tiered protection for both style and prescription needs. On a budget, Zenni Optical and Warby Parker provide highly affordable, effective filtering starting as low as $17. Ultimately, investing in computer glasses is a simple way to protect your long-term eye health. Thanks for watching.